Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, let us see the list of the drugs which will cause nail pigmentation. List of the drugs which causes nail pigmentation are anti-cancer drugs like bleomycin, melphalan, hydroxyurea, doxorubicin, busulfan, 5-fluorouracil, methotrexate, cyclophosphamide will cause nail pigmentation. Other drugs like tetracyclines, 8-methoxysorelanes, chloroquines, sulfonamides, phenothiazines like chlorpromazine and thioridazine, phenytoin, timolol, mercury and gold. So all these are the list of the drugs which will cause nail pigmentation. Thank you for watching.
Thank you and thank you for watching.